Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, eastern Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, Union County in northeastern New Jersey, southeastern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Richmond County in southeastern New York, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Susquehanna-Kenville to Lawrenceville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Fairfield around 6:40 p.m. Caldwell around 6:45 p.m. Bloomfield around 6:50 p.m. Patterson and Passaic around 6:55 p.m. Paramus and Teterboro around 7 p.m. Hackensack and Ridgefield around 7:05 p.m. Bergenfield and Fort Lee around 7:10 p.m. This includes the following New York State CO intense sites: Staten Island OMH. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles.